FLEXIMOUNTS 4x8 Overhead Garage Storage Rack Adjustable Ceiling Garage Rack Heavy Duty, 96. Hello and welcome to this review on FLEXIMOUNTS 4x8 Overhead Garage Storage Rack. This adjustable ceiling garage rack is heavy duty. Avoid water damage by storing your items off the garage floor. Protect your items and use garage ceiling space to store seasonal and unused items. 22 to 40 ceiling drop-down provides up to 105 cubic feet of storage. Dimensions: 96 in, LX 48 in, WX 22 to 40 in. H accessory hooks and items pictured on the racks are not included. Safe by overhead racks with long ceiling brackets designed to be attached to 2 studs. Combined with 6 vertical posts, it is the optimal structure choice to ensure safety. Quality: top quality screws selected and all hardwares have gone through strict tests. Heavy-duty cold-rolled steel construction provides safely loading up to 600 pounds. Different, integrated grid design, more stable and sturdy compared to others with separate frame and wire. De-installation with step-by-step instruction. Installation template helps make sure to use accessories provided by FLEXIMOUNTS, included in the product box, even if you choose with Amazon installation service. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.